Rhinos are magnificent creatures. They are one of the largest land animals on Earth. We call them rhinos for short, but their full name is rhinoceros. This means nose-horned, and it comes from the Greek language. Rhinos have roamed our planet for millions of years. Fossil evidence shows ancient rhinos were even bigger than today's giants. Sadly, rhinos now face a very uncertain future. They need our help to survive. There are 5 different types of rhinoceros alive today. Each species has unique characteristics and habitats that make them fascinating to study and observe. 2 species live in Africa, the black rhino and the white rhino. These majestic creatures roam the vast savannas and grasslands of the continent. The black rhino has a pointed upper lip for grabbing branches. This adaptation allows it to feed on shrubs and bushes, making it a browser rather than a grazer. The white rhino grazes on grass and has a square lip. This feature is perfect for grazing on the vast grasslands, making it a true grazer. The other 3 rhino species live in Asia. These species have adapted to a variety of environments, from dense forests to grassy plains. The Indian rhino has 1 horn and large skin folds that look like armor plating. These folds provide protection and help regulate body temperature. The Javan rhino is very rare and lives only in a small part of Indonesia. Conservation efforts are critical to protect this endangered species. The Sumatran rhino is the smallest rhino species. Despite its size, it is incredibly strong and agile, navigating the dense forests with ease. It has 2 horns and reddish hair. This unique appearance sets it apart from other rhino species and adds to its charm and mystique. Each rhino species has its own special place to live. African rhinos like open grasslands and savannas. This makes it easy for them to find their favorite foods. They wander long distances to graze. Asian rhinos prefer dense forests and swamps. They use their strong sense of smell to find food in the thick vegetation. The Javan rhino lives in lowland rainforests, while the Sumatran rhino prefers higher elevations. Section 4, A Vegetarian's Life, the Rhino Diet. All 5 rhino species are herbivores. This means they only eat plants. Their diet depends on what grows in their habitat. White rhinos are grazers, using their wide mouths to eat lots of grass. Black rhinos are browsers. They use their prehensile lips to grab branches and pull leaves into their mouths. They also eat fruit, roots, and bark. Asian rhinos have a varied diet of grasses, leaves, fruit, and even branches. Section 5. The Plight of a Horn, Poaching and Its Consequences. Sadly, rhinos face a serious problem: poaching. This illegal activity has devastating effects on rhino populations, leading to severe injuries and even death for these majestic creatures. Poachers are people who illegally hunt animals. They often operate in organized groups, using sophisticated methods to track and kill rhinos. They kill rhinos for their horns, which are very valuable in some parts of the world. The demand for rhino horn is driven by myths and misconceptions about its supposed benefits. Rhino horns are made of keratin. This is the same material as our fingernails and hair, yet it is falsely believed to have magical or medicinal properties. Some people believe rhino horn has medicinal properties, but this is not true. There is no scientific basis for these claims. The illegal trade in rhino horn is pushing these animals towards extinction. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect rhinos and ensure their survival for future generations. Section 6. Guardians of the giant's conservation efforts and a hopeful future. Rhinos, with their imposing presence and gentle nature, are a symbol of the wild that we must strive to protect. Thankfully, many dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect rhinos from the brink of extinction. Conservationists are implementing various strategies to stop poaching, such as increasing anti-poaching patrols and setting up camera traps to monitor rhino movements. They are also creating safe habitats and running educational programs to raise awareness about these magnificent creatures. There are now more anti-poaching patrols in rhino areas than ever before, making it harder for poachers to operate. Governments around the world are stepping up their efforts to stop the illegal wildlife trade, which is a major threat to rhinos. In some regions, conservationists are even relocating rhinos to safer areas to ensure their survival. Together, through collective action and unwavering commitment, we can save these giants for future generations. ensuring that they continue to roam the wild for years to come. As we conclude our journey through the world of rhinos, let's take a moment to appreciate some fascinating facts about these magnificent creatures. Despite their massive size, rhinos are surprisingly fast. They can run at speeds of up to 30 to 40 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest large mammals on land. Rhinos might have poor eyesight, but they make up for it with an excellent sense of smell and hearing, helping them navigate their environment and detect potential threats. The horn of a rhino is made of keratin, the same substance that makes up human hair and nails. This unique composition makes their horns strong and durable. As herbivores, rhinos have a voracious appetite. They can consume up to 100 pounds of food per day, primarily consisting of grasses, leaves and other vegetation. There are 5 species of rhinos: white, black, Indian, Javan and Sumatran. Each species has its own unique characteristics and habitats. Rhinos communicate in various ways, including vocalizations, body language and scent markings. These methods help them establish territories and interact with one another. Did you know that rhinos have incredibly thick skin? It can be as much as 5 centimeters thick, providing them with a natural armor against predators. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these majestic creatures. By supporting initiatives and raising awareness, we can all contribute to protecting rhinos for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you enjoyed learning about rhinos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife stories. Together we can make a difference.